Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I have already added my peel off base coat and a white base. I am now adding my base colour and leaving it to dry completely. I am now applying liquid latex to protect my cuticles from the gradient. I am now applying my polishes to the makeup sponge. I am now dabbing it onto my nails, back and forth, to make the colours blend. I keep adding my polishes to the makeup sponge. I keep dabbing onto my nails until I have my desired look. I am now removing my liquid latex. I am using acetone and an angled brush to clean up around my cuticles. I am now using a fast dry top coat to help blend the gradient. I leave this to dry completely. I am now using a fine striping brush with some acrylic paint. I am now using a fine detail brush to carry on with the design. I'm now using the fine detail brush with some black polish to go around the edges and to fill in the design. I'm now using the brush from the polish to finish off. I am adding a drop of white polish onto the mat. I then use a small dotting tool to put a dot on each of the eyes. I am now finishing off with a fast dry top coat and I leave it to dry completely. I am now adding my favourite cuticle oil and massage it in. And this is what they look like in the dark. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.